ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hope ho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives Restaurant Balak play nakabentaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong balayada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating balale da ka Meva Enterprise
U Satyapal Malik u balongru ulat jong ka jilla ula ai ka Ïaroh ya ka Jingtrei Shitom jong ka Ophis u Chief Electoral Officer ka Jingtrei lang bat ki Ophis badai pej ya ka jing penyaj election ha ki district baper jong ka jilla ha ka bayadai bat ka jing Pynrung Kyrteng ya ki Nongthep jong ka jilla ha ki electoral roll ki balakenjo Yakarta ka bakhat prasnem sheneng ulat jong ka jilla u balongru kumukongsan ha ka jing rakhi ya ka National Voters Day ha ka arpusan tarik ukilalengkot arazar arpuway ya ka bala penlong haraj bhavan Shillong ula ongru ba ka long ka jing sarong ya ka jilla Meghalaya ka bala yo pediang ya ka khusnam Best Electoral Practices Award Arajar Arphuway na ka benta ka jingla ban penyai renti ya ki election shika yeng dorbar thau ain jong ka jilla Meghalaya ka bala long ha usnem arajar khatphra hakani ka sngi ulat jong ka jilla ula samru ya ki khusnam sha ki block level officer bat shiki Nongthep jong ka jilla ki badang Pynrung Kyrteng thamai ha ki electoral roll bat ha kaju kapor ula pelaj pajba ru ya ka Meghalaya Atlas bat ki ELC anthology bat shushu ulat ula play pajba ru ya ka art and photography exhibition ka balalong ha multicultural hall jong ka Raj Bhavan Shwaban penlong yakani ka jingrakhi ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills District ka kong Isawanda lalu kala kawe lama ha ka jingpenlong ya ka jingnya cycle ya ka balatib kum ka Wheels of Democracy Cycle Rally ya ka balasdang na Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides Shillong bat ya ka bala penkut pat Haraj Bhavan Shillong.
The previous year 2020 has been a difficult year due to COVID-19 pandemic. As all of us have been compelled to adapt to the new norm, proceedings, processes and protocols have been revised. In the present scenario, most of the voter education programs, awareness have had to be organized online. However, the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer, along with the district teams, are leaving no stone unturned to protect the flame of democracy and to celebrate National Voters' Day. I am happy to learn that the State Election Department undertakes manifold activities covering conduct of elections, registration of voters, preparation of electoral rolls, voters awareness campaign and various other related programs under the direct supervision of the Election Commission of India. It is a matter of pride that Office of CEO Meghalaya was awarded National Award for Best Electoral Practices by Election Commission of India for its conduct of 2018 Assembly elections. It is noteworthy that the department continues to actively implement the voters awareness programs for promoting electoral literacy in the state with a special focus on intensive EVM VEPAT awareness, workshop for media, judicial officers, lawyers and judges of High Court and other stakeholders.
National Voters Day 21 celebrations and all participants, organizers and judges and have taken an active part. May we continue to grow and work every day.
A round of applause, everybody. Ranjit Laudanya, Shubhankar Dev Roy, Silverine R.
the main motive that we are collaborating with the CEO is that we want to spread awareness for the people about the voters, about voting actually. So today we are around 60 of us. We took out our cycles early in the morning around 8 o'clock and we went and spread awareness all over the town actually. Today I think approximately only 20 kilometers today. Actually they do a different kind of ride almost every Saturday, Sunday and all like that. But today is a special day which we collaborate with them. So as per the route that has been mentioned, we try to ride all around the town. Yeah, the message for us is very simple, that everyone should go and vote actually. Because see, people keep on complaining about our leaders, about everybody, but actually on the day of voting, people hardly go and vote. So our request, our message for everybody actually, when the time for vote, please go out and vote. Go and exercise your vote. Don't waste your vote and complain later. There are around right from 6 years old, I think up to 55 years old today, really. Yeah. Our group actually, Meghalaya Cycling Association, we had a very large number of cyclists, range from 9-10 years up to 50-60 years we have.